I guess I could start doing
And the
Valley.
other one...
I guess I could start doing Squidward in Repose, huh?
And the other one is back at the, Can I... Is there any chance that you guys can carry this past the watery blowhogs without getting lit on fire?
It's a tall order.
Well, not if they're both, like, crowding around you like fucking... They're trying to... propose.
Gonna have to go with Zelda. It's a good choice.
Which Zelda, though? I guess that's why you make the choice, because you have like 14 different Zeldas to choose from.
I don't think there's any reason I need reds or purples in the overworld until I fight that fiery ball blacks, so I should be fine. Or reds or yellows. Hilda? Oh, true. Hilda's good. You know what? Actually, I do have a favorite Zelda incarnation. Spirit Tracks.
I've never played that still.
It's really good.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what else I need to do here?
God.
I need whites.
Did I comment on the fact that I really love that they turned the first area of the game into one of the hardest ones? I really love that.
I don't recall hearing that.
I thought it, but I wasn't sure if I said it.
It's definitely a good. It's a good thing that they did that.
Mm-hmm.
That they did that thing. Oh, isn't there a snagret like up on a fucking wall somewhere?
Oh, in Valley of Repose? Yeah, it's actually by the Emergence Cave.
I'm new in town.
Hey, is that Jesus? Thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate it. Glad you're enjoying the stream.
And this is the reason why the Valley of Repose sucks, is that there's like no shortcuts anywhere.
Yeah, you have to go around every time. No worries. Welcome in. Glad to have you. I'm doing well, thank you, and I hope you are too. A lazy Pikmin Sunday.
I wanted... It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
It sounds fine.
It is. God fucking damn it. Why can't you just teleport a fucking purple into your hand?
Good question. Shame it took them 3 games to figure that out. Pikmin Ice Cream Sundae.
Oh, you know, that reminds me. Guess what I did today for the first time fucking ever?
What's that?
I patronized an ice cream truck.
Nice. What'd you get?
I got one of those Sonic lollipops.
Nice.
Sonic popsicles. And a cotton candy. And the cotton candy was fucking amazing. It was, like, bizarrely good.
What? Oh, I hate this video game.
What happened?
Same thing that
someone set
happened
you up with
with
a
a
bomb?
pileated snagret. It ate a Pikmin and had to finish chewing before it could die.
Ugh. Alright, fart on... I'll fart on you, and then you can start working on this fucking... Get on the wall!
You know what? Yeah, carry that pallet back so I don't have to see it anymore.
It was storming earlier on that. You know, it was kind of storming today, too. It looked stormy. It wasn't actually storming, but...
Yeah, those ice cream truck drivers, they gotta make money, I get it.
Ow.
Alright, you know what? You guys take this. Pikmin 1 and 2 are my 2 favorite Pikmin games.
What?
But, oh my god, they drive me insane. And also, in this game, you can save a lot of your Pikmin mid-chew, but just for some reason, Snagrets are not one of those. If they
that kind of makes sense.
If they've started chewing, they have to finish. But if they haven't started chewing yet, you can save them.
Yeah, I know. That's not the first time I've... What? What do you mean?
What was that?
I thought that a spicy spray... Wake the fuck up, you shithead!
Yes?
I thought that bitter spray put out fire.
Oh no, it keeps the fire on.
What are you doing? I'm saying, shit!
You're yelling so much that if the mic's not picking all of it up, and it's really funny.
There! Die, you fuck!
Oh, the Pikmin 2 experience. Also, mid-chew is just a really funny phrase limit. I just want you to know that I appreciate that. Don't forget the shearwigs. Where? Oh, in Pikmin 2 they won't. In Pikmin 2 they fixed that.
Yeah.
And thank goodness they did.
I'm actually not sure what spray that is. I think it's a spicy.
Spicy.
Unfortunately, my captives weren't close enough together to take advantage of that.
Together we can defeat the Pink Menace.
What is this? Take it a dump.
Is that Subterranean
It's
Complex?
Subterranean Complex, yeah.
You know, it's really weird that the game... I think the game does consider Subterranean Complex the middle cave, like the second hardest cave in Valley of Repose, which doesn't make any sense to me. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I remember Frontier Complex being very... Oh, shit. I remember Frontier Complex being very problematic.
Which one?
Frontier Cavern.
Okay.
Oh my god! Run! No!
All right, let's use this decorated cannon beetle to my advantage here.
Oh my god. These blues made it all the way to the first dwarf Bulbor before one of them got eaten.
Wow. All right, Bucko. Come here so I can kill you. You know, I actually finished Pikmin 2 before I finished Pikmin 1, and I really thought the cannon beetles were blowhogs for the longest time. I thought they were like rocky blowhogs or something.
Huh. That would make sense.
Because they have the exact same
this
attack
one.
pattern, right?
Well, you know what? I'll just go to.
Oh, you do need yellows, actually. There's a treasure that...
I'm glad that you watched the direct, right? Like you've
Yeah.
seen like the previews for 4, right?
Yes. Well, I've seen the previews that were in the directs. I haven't watched any trailers.
Okay. I'm glad that the armored cannon beetle is back.
Oh, I knew that, yes. I was very excited about that.
Yeah.
All right, for next things next, let's get rid of this watery blowhog without having to put any effort into it. I have not played the demo. Saving it for Strimity Stramalam.
And chunking now, I'm farting and it is bad.
That, like, can't help falling in love with you. Yeah, I would appreciate it, Limit, because I do want to discover them myself. Much appreciated. Inks. Oh my god, I've, like, wasted this entire day. What did I do?
That's just what the Valley of Repose is like.
Hey,
Hi, Dish.
Mama, nice to you.
Thank you so much for the raid, buddy. What were you up to? And the resub, 20 months. Deliver me, deliver me. Oh, Aiden's on that shit. Mario Golf Sugar Super Rush. One day.
Why are you still a leaf, you stupid little twerp?
My Dish friend, how are you, buddy? How have you been? Long time no chat.
Hey, really?
Glad to hear you're doing well. No, you...
What?
First thing.
Oh, you were talking to something in the game.
Yeah. Oh. Mario Golf Super Rush League. You're doing nice. I didn't. Please, Cannon Beetle, I need you to shoot yourself with a rock, please. Thank you.
That's violent.
Not as violent as I'm about to get. There we go.
I'll make your ass sense.
Oh man, I don't have any bitter spray. I'll go into Frontier Cavern. I'll probably get like 6 bitter sprays out of there.
All right, time to go do Frontier Cavern, I guess.
Can you get some good bitter sprays out of that if you can kill the doodle bugs?
Yeah.
Pikmin 2 is my favorite Pikmin game, so it's always fun. But oh my god, I've had some frustrations.
Where's my leaf?
I'm not even gonna correct
Did it,
myself.
like,
I've
get
had
left
some
behind?
frustrations.
Did my leaf get left behind?
Hopefully not.
It's back there. Well, I left Louie back at camp, too.
God, I hate withering blowhogs.
They're the worst.
You learned this recently about dig speed is based on damage modifiers? Like when you say digging
Oh my
speed,
God.
do you mean like wall breaking and bridge building? Have we had any deaths yet?
I think he means getting treasures out of the ground.
Oh, that? Oh, really? Huh. I didn't know that. Oh, I guess that makes sense. That is what digging is, yes.
Yes, that is digging.
Can you dig it?
Can you dig it? I didn't need 20 lights. Oops! The farts! Yeah, you got farted on. It's not a big deal, okay?
Let's get this Peach's crown before I absolutely lose my mind about Peach's crown. Can we get Peach's crown, please? Oh!
Did I kill it?
Oh my god. I hate this game.
I think I just got two ultra bitter sprays to drop in the exact same place.
Nice.
I take a dump right now. A dump on the can.
Okay, good. Please, just take this and get it out of my sight. I want this back at base camp by today.
Nice. 4 ultra bitter sprays.
Let me guess, Limit. You've had experiences where the crown gets stuck and you have to get out of, and you have to reset or wait till the next day to get it. Yeah, that's most of my experiences with Pikmin 2. I've been hyping up this crown as the worst treasure in the game, and then I had a relatively easy time, which is, you know, how it works. As soon as that gets back, I'm jumping into Frontier Cavern.
I gotta pick up the pace.
I'm only jumping in there to get sprays.
What's the matter, scared?
What's the matter, scared? Thank you, Wolf.
Fart! A fart! Farts! Ah!
Hey!
That was the worst fucking time for you to take a shit!
Alright, Frontier Cavern with only blues and purples. Let's go! Think I can make it through?
Oh my fucking god, I'm so mad. A doodlebug showed up right when I was trying to sneak up on a fucking hairy bulborb.
The worst. Actually, there's buried treasure here. I literally can't do this, but I'm just here hunting doodlebugs anyway, so.
Stop farting!
Like their whole thing, dude.
Jesus Christ. Well, I got some more bitter sprays.
Can't have a fart that juicy on national television. There's one. No, shut up, shut up. I don't care.
Welcome to my special hell.
Did you know your Pikmin's being poisoned? I could literally not care less. Yes, I'm cheating, whatever.
Why? You cheating cheater.
God, the Frontier Cavern music on the Louis cadence is so weird.
No!
Oh, it backfired. Oh, well, whatever. Louis, you glutton. You know, in theory, I could just go through as much of this hole as possible and then leave on floor 5 with the geyser.
Oh. Man, I lost 10 Pikmin on the first floor because of those fucking fart bugs. They were working together, man! They was working together!
It was in cahoots.
Cahoots!
Cahoots, I say.
There's more.
The first time I ever heard
There's
the word cahoots
more.
was in Animal Crossing City Folk. I think Red accuses you of being in cahoots with Tom Nook. Yeah, I need a white Pikmin. I have no intention of completing Frontier Cavern. I literally just jumped in here to hunt doodlebugs, because there should be 3 on this floor. I just cannot find them. There's one.
Favorite Star Fox character? Good question.
Wolf, probably. I think he's cool. I don't know anything about the games.
You should play Star Fox 64, man!
I played the first, like, 30 minutes.
You should play it more.
I should. You're correct. Oh, come on. Oh, actually, no, Louis got... Okay, thank you, Louis. No. Don't carry that back. Don't carry... We don't want that. You don't know where that's been.
I mean, just based on... I mean, I'm only familiar with Star Fox 64, really.
Dish, it only drops 2, but there's a very, very well-used exploit in this game where if you can push the other captain into the drink before you drink it, you'll get 2. Watch, so. I'm gonna take Olimar here.
Blue Coin, are you familiar with the cuties who were on the Star Fox team in Star Fox 2 on Super Nintendo? Because there was a dog named... There was a dog and, like, a leopard minx.
No, Dish, watch. So, this is 1 drop, so this is only gonna be worth 1 spray normally. But I'm gonna push Louis into it. And then he's gonna drink it, and I'm gonna drink it. I'm gonna get 2. Louis drank...
He's watching Video Power right now, too.
Olimar drank 1, and Louis got...
Holy shit, I'm gonna die!
Oh, yeah, no, I fucked it up. I know that. Because they landed in the same spot. Alright, well, I mean, 10 bitter spray should be fine for pretty much the rest of the game. So... what the hell. Let's see what I can't do.
Okay, he's dead already. Good. Get fucked! Ah, my my flowers!
Frontier Cavern sub-level 2. Okay, there's no Bulbmin on this floor. I don't think there's Bulbmin until, like, 6. But it's fine.
There's decorated cannon beetles.
I see it, yes. This should be easy. Decorated cannon beetles are a lethal weapon of their own. I love this video game.
This video game is great.
Nah, you're good. You're totally good, Dish. It wasn't extremely obvious that 2 of them landed in the same spot. The only reason I knew that is because I happened to watch where they fell very closely. How long am I planning on going tonight? I don't know. I'm not even tired.
I'm gonna go get that sandwich while these guys carry this treasure.
What do you ask?
You up?
God, the health bar and the captain pictures look so crisp and clear. All right, buddy. How beautiful can it be?
I'm taking a dump on him. I'm taking a dump. Well, I got back just in time. Headphones going on now. Is it okay if I crumple in my mic?
Yeah.
Like sprinkle in the sprinkle and crumple in my microphone. I like it in the sandwich. Sprinkle a bunch. I like it if I sprinkle. It's a pizza sub. All it needs is lettuce.
Romaine lettuce.
Man, it smells good. Can I crumple a little louder? I can't hear. I'm gonna crumple.
Okay, walk across the bridge. There we go. There we go. I don't mind lettuce. You know what ruins a sandwich? Tomato. It just makes it soggy.
You need to put you need to insulate the bread from the tomato.
I don't know, I just don't like that splash of tomato water juice thing. I hate pickles, Dish. I absolutely hate pickles. Okay. I almost forgot the implement of toil or whatever the fuck it's called. Or icon of progress, that's what it is.
Oh god, is there a ball bearer on this floor?
3? Yes. Have fun. Good thing I have all these bitter sprays that I picked up on floor 1. Exactly, Kojin. It overpowers everything. Okay, there's the bitch.
Y'all eating some fucking powerful ass pickles, or you got too many pickles on your sandwich.
I mean, trust me, I am getting too many pickles on my sandwiches because the ideal amount of pickles is 0. Hi, friend. The confused Bulborb has fallen in line with the Pikmin. I think there's another Bulbman on this floor somewhere. I could be wrong, though. And I often am. Ha ha!
Oh god, here he comes.
God, your lips are huge. There we go.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Limit. How are you?
I am well. I specifically was asking because I was debating on hopping into call to chat with you about stuff.
Oh, yeah, no, you can hop in. I got time. I'm not even remotely tired. But is that shocking? I did 6 week. How you doing today?
You know, I'm weird. I kind of gaslit myself into liking pickles on my burgers because I was like, oh man, SpongeBob says pickles matter a lot on a burger, so I have to eat it.
Oh, that's funny, actually.
I was like, honestly, that's actually what got me to like onions and other vegetables onto my burger because as a kid, I was like, no, I only want meat and ketchup. I don't need anything else.
I mean, meat and ketchup are like the essential components to a burger for me, but I'm definitely fine with lettuce and onions. Pickles and tomatoes are like a no-go. I can handle tomato, but I would rather not, you know?
Honestly, lettuce gives that extra crunch for me, and like, if it's overly watery lettuce, then yeah, I don't like it. But if it's like dry lettuce, I like it.
Yeah, I like the lettuce crunch, but I also think that raw onions give that same crunch, but better.
See, I like caramelized onions, like cooked onions. Like
I love those, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think there's a wrong way for me to eat an onion.
In my opinion, it is impossible to put too much lettuce on a sandwich. It is very possible to put too much onion on a sandwich.
That's fair.
Okay, I have a question about that. Do you prefer chopped lettuce or do you need a whole leaf?
I like the leaf.
Same.
I like whole leaf or shredded, but not like square, like chopped.
I feel like if it's chopped, it falls apart too easily when I'm
Absolutely.
eating. And I
chopped
don't
is
like
for
that,
salads.
yeah.
Yeah, if you chop lettuce and put it on a burger, you're not. I feel like it's gonna be too frail to give you that crunch.
Mm-hmm.
But shredded is so cut up that it forms like it wraps around and forms a matrix where it like wraps around itself.
Yeah, I can see that. Where? Oh, there it is. Oh, he's over there. I see him. Okay. Bullbear jump scare was about to happen there. Sometimes I wonder why this is my favorite Pikmin game.
Because you're a masochist.
I mean, yeah, I guess so. I do love this game to death. This was the first Pikmin game I ever beat. I had to go back to beat 1. The time limit stressed me out as a kid.
I prefer the time limit. I don't like how most of the dungeons are just battle dungeons.
No, that's fair. Oh, rip that white Pikmin. Right.
Plus the insta-kills in this game. It kind of pisses me off.
No, I get that completely. Hey,
I think the instant kills don't bother me in this game because I expect everything to instant kill these like little wimps that I call my soldiers.
It might just be my game design philosophy, but I just really like the players having the control in their hands. Like, if they make a mistake, they could fix it, but it's, like, time limited.
Well, sure, yeah. I think, in my brain, the fact that it's a strategy game, if you take a risk and you lose some units, like, avoiding a game over, being able to avoid a game over is important, but, like, a loss of a single unit in a game like this is not enough to warrant, like, special considerations being made in the design to be able to avoid it if
No,
you
that's
have
entirely
already
valid.
made a mistake.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
entirely valid.
Star as well. Hello.
I get it in any case. Like,
We're cool, smart, and tough. Well, hello. While we got this one Pikmin doing the thing. Go green.
How was Pokemon Diamond or
Is that
Pearl?
on
I forget which
leaves?
one it was.
Let me try that again. Pokemon Diamond / Pearl. I hope you had fun. Was about to say Pokemon, yeah?
I just realized you have nice numbers.
I do. Maybe it wasn't so bad that one white Pikmin died.
I wonder how that white Pikmin feels about that.
It doesn't feel anymore, actually.
What about it? What about the other white Pikmin?
I mean,
Oh,
up in-
good lord! Eggs falling from the sky.
I mean, in Big Kevin, it's probably thinking, oh, nice, I died to 69.
Yeah, I mean, like a noble sacrifice, truly.
man, I'm still
Pikmin is like
hungry.
chess. You have to sacrifice a few. For the
That
greater
is
good.
factually wrong, but yes.
They're disposable.
Honestly, that's actually a thing that bothers me about white Pikmin. One of the main benefits is the fact that they are poison, but they have to die in order to inflict that poison.
Yeah, especially because like poisonous bugs, like the whole idea is that it makes the predator spit them out.
Yeah.
Maybe that'll be the case in 4.
I am not going to give any answers about that.
Frontier Cavern sub.
I feel like I can infer quite a bit from that response.
All right, here we go.
I didn't say anything. That's all I'll say.
Alright, oh god, it's this floor. I didn't bring any yellers.
I mean, you still have some Bulbmin.
Yeah. Probably should have sacrificed those blues to make some
There's a
whites.
geyser on cell level 3, too.
Oh yeah, there is. I should have taken it. Because I know I'm not fighting the boss of this dungeon with this squad.
What's the boss?
Mama. Empress again.
Oh,
I mean,
that's,
Empress
is
isn't
that the
too
one?
hard.
Is that the one with like the weird termite mound cave?
Yes. Where half the fight is actually getting up to the boss while the larvae come at you.
I mean, that's not an issue as long as you like keep swapping captains.
Yeah. Really, what I do is I just throw them up to where the geyser is, and like they're usually fine. What? No, what on earth? Where did you come from? I didn't even
take a
see.
dump up on the can. Da-da-da. I take a
hate
dump
this
up
game.
on the can. Da-da-da. I take a dump up on the can. I take a dump on
Louis.
the toilet.
Louis, what the hell?
Oh, Twi, speaking of 69,
Yeah.
did you see that image
That's
that
not a
someone was
good
sharing
segue.
around of the most common results for each Pikmin type on Rule 34?
You know, apparently, is this a Twitter trend or something?
It was well, I saw people retweeting it on Twitter, yeah.
I thought
Okay.
that was just something we talked about earlier in the stream.
Yeah, I've been actually off Twitter for the last like week, so I've been very much
Jealous.
missing things. Please,
But,
no.
But yeah, apparently
Louis!
the most common Pikmin was like yellows, I think.
Yeah. Somebody looked that up earlier.
Oh, well, there
Hammy
goes
was
the
in
That's
here.
fine. You know what? You know what?
Oh no.
That's fine.
How many did you? You lost 10! Oh no!
Whatever.
Wah.
The
Twi-
electricity wasn't even there.
Twi, you know this better than
Step
I
3,
do.
bargaining.
Do you know if buried Pikmin get brought down to the next level?
This can prove that for you.
Oh, huh. I didn't realize that was a thing.
Yep, the game warns you about it. It actually has a special sound that only plays in that specific instance.
Oh my god, that's a lot of anode beetles.
Are these all Bulbmin? I don't care.
I don't.
Oh, it's a good thing I
Want to
checked because there were
fight.
some purples.
Are you gonna
those
make it in time?
Nope.
That's a bumbling snitch bug, right? It looks stupid. That's how you can tell.
Yeah.
Why, you are way too cavalier about losing your Pikmin compared to me.
Yeah, listen,
Oh,
I had my
don't-
first
don't-
death in a ridiculous and annoying way, and now I don't care.
Do yourself a favor and don't look at my stream.
I'm more sentimental.
I start out that way.
I'm perfectly sentimental. I'm just reckless and I don't give a shit.
I'm just saying, I went out of my way to make sure no Pikmin died in the Pikmin 4 demo.
Listen,
That wasn't very difficult.
Yeah, that's true.
I will go out of my way to prevent Pikmin from dying until they die. Then I'm like, okay.
Dude, die
I'm honestly
already,
way more
jeez.
careful in this game than I am in Pikmin 1.
Dumping and chunking and
Which
chunking
may
now.
or may not say a lot about me. Hope Pikmin 2 has been treating me well. Yeah, it has actually.
Man,
Except
why
for
can
that.
6 Pikmin carry this little marble that only needs 1?
It is weird, right?
Yeah, it's like, is it double or is it just like some random amount? Like, make up your mind.
It's actually almost never double in this game unless it's like 5 to 10. Oh, right. Mamutas are aggressive in this game.
It's weird that Mamutas are in this game, but Gulix isn't. Or
Yeah.
no, wait,
Gulik, yeah,
what is
Gulik.
Mamut? It was Gulix, okay. I was like, wait, is it a Smoky Prog or something else? I forgot.
No, yeah, the Gulix is the baby smoke. The Mamuta is the adult Smoky Prog. Apparently.
Ostensibly.
Yeah, according to Olimar, who has no proof to back that up whatsoever. I think the most shocking thing from what I've seen of
die
any of the
already.
Pikmin 4 previews and like the direct stuff is that Mamutas are hairy.
Guys, get back here.
Yeah, that was weird for me too.
It clearly
I always
has a
imagine
tattoo.
I always imagined them having, like, their skin having, like, the texture of, like, an elephant, almost.
I guess, you know, that's fair. Elephants do have hair.
See, I imagine them as stone creatures.
That's
They
what...
do. They definitely do look stony.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Take that Mamuta corpse. See if I care. Goodbye. I should kill one of these. This is a new enemy.
Oh, God, that's a swooping snitch bug. There's too many motherfucking snitch bugs!
Can you hit, please? Like, oh my god. You know what?
Oh, now. Get the treasure.
Who doesn't always... No, Mamuta doesn't really do anything in Pikmin 1 unless you hit it first. It gets really mad. Thank you.
Where are you guys going?!
It's absolutely bizarre that the game is like, hey, have a power-up in the middle of this dungeon for no reason. I guess it does beat having a fourth dungeon in the Valley of Repose, though. But yeah, hold on, I have to catch up on chat. I was focusing on something else. Yeah, how was Diamond? I hope you had fun. Sorry, I'm like...
I forgot that all the treasures in here were Christmas themed.
Wow, 14 deaths. That sucks.
Stop picking up shit!
Yeah, I haven't never done a Nuzlocke. I would try it, honestly. Nuzlocke seemed like fun.
I've tried them. I give up after a while just because I lose interest.
Fair.
Okay, Dude, let go of me.
Alright, as much as I would love to grab the fiery bulb blacks, I know I don't have time, so end of day. Wow, exactly 7,500, you know? Funny. Only 25% more until I beat the game. Yay. Oh yeah, no, I love the rocket punch. It is so fun.
Is there something noteworthy about caustic dweevils?
They damage the captain. Like, even after you're completely powered up, they will still damage the captain because it's acidic water.
Huh, okay.
What's the cosmic dweevil again?
Caustic. It's the water dweevil.
Caustic, yeah.
Wait, that can damage you?
Yep. It's the only dweevil that can damage you if you have your captains completely powered up.
I have never been damaged by that thing.
Yeah, I'll prove it the next time I see one, actually, because it's a pretty remote.
I mean, them
distinction.
being able to damage you doesn't necessarily make it any more likely that they will. They're still really easy to dodge.
How many purples do I have at this point? 50? Okay, that's not too bad. That's a couple trips to Subterranean Complex.
See, I don't like grinding for purples.
I don't either. It really sucks that I would have 60 right now. But, whatever.
I don't really need more whites, but I want them anyway.
Taking some weird numbers out.
Am I allowed to talk about UI stuff about Pikmin 4?
Yeah, sure.
I fucking hate the UI of Pikmin 4.
Is it bad?
I didn't think it was bad, but it was too big, I remember thinking.
Well, like, in terms of usage, it's fine. Visual design, I fucking hate it. Because,
I don't like the new sun meter. It looks weird.
It's okay to me. Like, the thing that I hate about it is that it looks more computerized. There's, like, you know how, like, in Pikmin games, normally it's a lot more aquatic or naturalistic, like, a lot
they
of
have the bubbly effect.
Yeah, exactly. Like, so they have that... They don't have that in Pikmin 4. Everything is more computer or square.
Didn't you know the fact that creative and unique visual design is bad because it's not readable? And that you have to make everything look like fucking Breath of the Wild and modern Mario Odyssey? That drove me nuts in Mario Odyssey. Like the interface felt so completely sterile.
Yeah, I was gonna say it had like no personality. That's UI design is really moving in that direction. I don't like it.
I get it.
I do get it. For accessibility reasons, I do understand it completely. However,
like,
I'm not happy about it.
Yeah.
I wish there was an option for creative UI. I feel
The
like you
only
can have both with accessibility options becoming so flexible. Sorry, I don't mean to keep cutting you off.
No, you're fine. It's your stream.
Still.
But yeah, it's just like one of those things where it's like, I appreciate creative UI because it's just so visually interesting. It creates a lot of
Oh my
personality
god,
for games.
Mm-hmm.
But like, I know so many people are all like, oh, like I can't read what the menus are saying for Persona 5, for example. And I'm like, I get it, but at the same time, it's like, it's part of the identity. You just get used to it.
Yeah, I mean, there's a legitimate argument. There's a legitimate purpose to it, and I'm completely all for accessibility. I mean, like, I have a font that was that I use a lot that was designed by the Braille Foundation that I really like because of it's a good accessibility font, and I use it a lot in my stuff. Oh, I need 25. Oh my god.
Oh, it's man, yeah. The Mario RPG Make UI hurts a little bit because I'm really gonna miss like the scroll text box thing that the original had going on. It feels very sterile. It's not bad. I just don't like it as much, and I don't think it would have hurt accessibility to maintain like the aesthetic that it had while just switching to a more legible font.
I don't think it's actually that. I think they were actually recreating the original design of the UI, the battle UI, because like if you look at the original battle UI, it's actually very basic as well.
No. I mean like I wasn't talking about the battle UI. I mean like text boxes. Like they had like the scroll that pops up with like the thing, and it was like really artsy and cool.
I kind of remember that. It's been a while, so I didn't see the remakes version of that.
I don't think they showed any text, so I guess it's possible that it's still not, that it's unchanged, but I really doubt it.
Honey,
I mean, I don't like assuming things until I see it myself, personally speaking.
I'm not assuming. I'm just.
All right. I'm trying so hard to figure out what Pikmin to take back. I don't need this many reds. Why would I ever need this many reds?
Spectralid?
Probably.
Oh hey, it's the Pentagon Punch.
Oh, I love the... I just got the Pentagon Punch myself. I love video games. I don't know what that had to do with anything. The ND Cube font is clean, but it never fits any non-Wii game, isn't it? Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, there's absolutely no reason for me to be carrying around this many reds. What the hell? 15.
Also, I don't think the remake is being done by ND Cubed. I'm pretty sure Square Enix is making it.
Man, I really fucking hope they do something really cool with QLEX.
I also hope that.
I'm gonna be so disappointed if it just looks the same as all the other fights. Like, you know what I want to see them do with QLEX? I want it to do, like, an Octopath-style, like, HD 2D, like, animated sprite for QLEX and have it, like, framed similarly. That'd be so rad.
Hi, Trill.
Hey, Trill.
How's it
What's
going?
eyes out?
They
Still
so
missing it.
little.
I haven't actually picked up the Rocket Punch. I should pick up the Rocket Punch.
Rocket Punch.
Square was on the, they were on, like, the screen at the end of the trailer, where it showed, like, the copyright. But that might just be because they made the original.
Gino
I think
Smash.
it's entirely possible that Square is either making it or they helped produce it, because that's just a thing that Square Enix announced fairly recently, like a few years back. They were saying how we want to remake all our old games, and I think no one realized that meant Mario RPG as well.
I wonder if was that before or after they made their Pixel remasters?
That was around the same time period. I think their Pixel remasters are fine.
They look like RPG Maker games.
I think they're fine.
There's absolutely no unified aesthetic. It is a hodgepodge.
Yeah, I would need to actually, like, take a look, because I don't know. You got, yeah, the reds, here, the reds and the whites, you take this back, please. I can't believe this stupid pocket watch weighs 30.
Hey, Bulbman, your babies are mine now. Thank you.
That's a lot.
Don't fat shame it.
You're right. You're absolutely right. What am I thinking? I'm sorry. That was insensitive of me. All right. Well, the good news is we're gonna finish Valley of Repose on this day.
I don't want to do these fucking cannon beetles.
Putting one white
know that-
probably does. Sorry.
I know that cannon beetles are easy, but I hate how they basically make you, if you want to fight them effectively, you have to stop everything else you're doing and just do nothing but deal with the cannon beetles.
Yeah. Is this the temporal mechanism? A Nintendo Pocket Watch. Wow. I need to go outside more.
Pentagon Punch! Pentagon Punch!
Man. It's been raining like crazy recently. Hopefully that passes soon.
Yeah, it was raining up here recently too.
I
Like,
was
literally tonight.
I was in it rained today. It was raining really
Hey, that's
badly
not
on my
Christmas.
parents' way back up to their place. I was up with them for the last week, and it was pretty rainy for a couple of the days. The week before, it rained like every single day. I was like, what is going on? Hey, it's Mr. Grizz.
Okay, this is not a good place to do this.
Oh
Oh my god, it totally is.
Oh my god.
What?
I think
It followed me all the way over here!
is that bear statue just a cultural phenomenon?
Yeah, it is. I've seen it like throughout the years.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like the, I don't know if this is... Never mind. I was gonna say kind of like the, the singing fish. Would you... Ah! I wish the cycle of this thing is not lining up. There. Die, 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 thank you.
Someone end the cycle of hatred.
I was waiting for the fire trap and the armored cannon beetle to stop doing their things at the same time.
Don't judge them. They're just embracing their love.
They were in different rooms.
They were trapped and separated by different rooms.
It's like in Pokemon Ruby, Sapphire, and Emerald, how the two lovers are on the other each side of Rust Turf Tunnel.
Yeah, exactly.
Except there were no rock smash rocks either!
God, that one guy decided he was going to dig out the tunnel by himself just so he could see his girlfriend. That's dedication. Hopefully she stays with him.
He really wanted that pussy.
Yeah, I mean, a man will do some wild things for pussy, let me tell you. Alright, while I'm here, I know this is stupid, but I'm going to go look for doodlebugs.
Another reason I really freaking hate Pikmin 2's dungeons is that you never know if a rock is going to fall out of the sky, so I'm like, okay, time to grab one Pikmin, run throughout the entire dungeon, and trigger all the traps, and then go through it.
The boulder traps specifically appear outside of their dedicated floors very rarely, if I recall.
Yeah, but I just couldn't be arsed to remember which floors they were, so I just do it for every floor.
That's fair. It is kind of a lot to...
That is the
keep
safe
track
way
of.
to do it.
Yeah, I think that's what they intend for you to do at a certain point.
I don't know if I would go that far. I think there's that one spiral floor. I think it's in the...
It's in Complex, I think, with all the bombs.
Yeah, Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Louie, you're not that tired. Relax.
Man, I feel like I know they can drop reds, but I never seen them drop reds.
Oh, the doodlebugs never drop reds.
They don't? I
no.
could have sworn they do.
Flint and Glint drop reds, but doodlebugs always drop 2 purples.
That's annoying.
I mean, somebody who likes the purple spray. Listen, I'm a big... I don't... Not actually, but for this instance, I'm a fan of lean, so, you know, it's fine.
I mean, it depends.
Oh,
It really,
there we go.
like, if it's like a enemy I want to permanently kill that doesn't revive itself,
I'm
then yeah, I
dumping
like
in
them,
chunk.
but otherwise,
I'm
I never see
dumping
any
in
use for them.
chunk.
I have used them plenty of times to keep an enemy from eating my Pikmin.
See, that's smart, but joke's on you. I'm not smart.
I disagree.
You know what? I should use that shit on a Gatling groin.
You should.
Yeah, that's when I use them.
Those things are weird, man. I wonder if
Yeah.
we'll see more Groinks in 4.
I would love to see the Groink make a comeback.
I've seen a lot of groins.
I want to see Dweevils. I hope we see them because we're going underground again.
Thank you, Limit. That, don't think that escaped my notice. Yeah, I would really like to see the Gatling Groink come back. I would actually, unironically, yes, I want to see the Man at Legs back. That thing was funny.
I want to see.
Okay.
I want to see the Man at Legs so bad. I want to see a Man at Legs in Salmon Run.
So is it okay to talk about like stuff that they showed in trailers?
Yeah, that's
and
fine.
pre-release? Okay, so you did see the Man at Legs then, right?
The what?
It's in. I didn't see that.
Yeah, they showed it in a trailer. The Man at Legs exists in Pikmin 4.
After the direct.
Yeah, after the direct, they showed
Oh,
it
one of
in a
those
trailer.
shit.
one of those random ones they posted on YouTube.
That's
Yeah.
crazy.
So
Interesting.
yeah,
I didn't,
it is.
I didn't look,
It
I didn't
actually
watch
is
any of
back.
those.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's why.
Makes me so happy.
so happy. I have 30. I don't.
The Man
even
at
know.
Legs
I
is
only
such a hilariously random boss for them to have created.
I only have 9 reds. Ah!
The Pikmin developers really said, what if we made BD Longlegs have a cousin that packs heat? And I'm... Sign me up, pal. That's fun. Alright, now that I've done this, I actually have to look for the
Sweet,
treasure
got some
on this
spicy
one.
sprays.
Oh, you know what? I have a question for you, Toy. How do
Yes?
you feel about the fact you're only allowed to have 3 Pikmin types in 4?
I did know.
What?
I did know about that. That is going to be difficult to
weird.
get used to, extremely so.
Mm-hmm.
That's. Eh.
I mean, it
I noticed that Pikmin 4 does a lot of, like... It has a very particular idea about how it wants things to work, and you can't really... I loved playing the demo. There were a lot of little idiosyncrasies that drove me nuts because it felt like it felt like there was one way to do it.
Mm-hmm. There's the Frosty Bauble.
Like, I like how fucking loose and floppy almost the first 2 games are because because I feel like I actually have to like think about what I'm doing more.
Oh, that's the essential furnishing. Oops. Take my Pikmin license away, folks.
Oh, hey, there's a boulder trap.
See, that's the kind of shit why I don't like this game.
Yeah, and I triggered it from like 15 feet away and nobody died.
I think I think that the reason I like this game, it could very literally be Stockholm Syndrome. I've spent so much time with this game. I've kind of just learned it. Is this the essence of rage? Yep. Pikmin license reclaimed. You know what boss I never want to see back for as long as I live? The segmented Cropster.
Is that the one that rolls?
Yes.
I love that thing.
I hate
it's a
that
fucking
boss.
pain. It's a fucking pain in the ass, but it's really cool.
It's a cool boss fight, but it's such a pain in the ass, and it has such a high health regeneration rate that it drives me nuts.
I don't think any boss should have health regen.
Correct. Why go outside when you can memorize the names of Pikmin 2 treasures instead? Not even like I study this, I just know it. Oh man, I want to see how Ochi works. Speaking of dog,
It's pretty cool. I think you'll like it.
because like
I wasn't sure about it, but
Ochi in the trailer, they're like, Ochi can tackle big enemies, and I was like, he's doing like 1 damage. What are you talking about?
yeah, I have not been impressed by the offensive capability. It's more the utility.
Okay.
Man, those trigger from a lot farther back than I remember.
Alright, I'm gonna take my... Excuse me, Mr. White Pikmin, I didn't ask for you to come along. Gonna take the blues, gonna look for the violet candy pop bud, and I'm going to Scramoose.
Imagine if they brought Bulbmin back in Pikmin 4 too.
That'd be something.
I wouldn't
but-
be surprised considering we got caves.
Yeah.
And considering you're limited to a certain amount of a certain number of types, having a Pikmin that is immune to all elements could be, but only available in caves. That would make a lot of sense to do.
Hello, sir, ma'am, whatever. I'm not interested. I'm just trying to.
Have they
Look,
ever
can you guys-
mentioned how genders work for these guys?
No.
I mean, aren't most plants like... What's the word?
No.
It's not
the Pikmin, the Bulborbs.
Oh, the Bulborbs.
Yeah. Are they mammals? I guess no, mammal. I was about to
They
make like a
seem
mammal.
pretty mammalian.
It's like I'm pretty sure they might be bugs.
They have flesh.
Here's the thing, bugs lay eggs, and we know from Emperor Bulblax they do not lay eggs.
That's true. They do give live birth, but it's a worm.
Is
Do,
it?
do worms
It's got
lay
legs.
eggs?
It's got legs and eyes.
I think we're thinking too much into this, but I'm gonna keep on this rabbit hole because I think it's pretty.
It's not
interesting.
called a grub. It's called a grub dog.
Yeah, it's called a grub dog because they remind Olimar of his dog.
And now Olimar has a dog.
I would like to submit something.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think Olimar is like maybe qualified to provide etymological definitions of Animalia.
Yeah, but if he's discovering it, he kind of gets to name it. Them's
Well,
the rules.
sure. But if I discovered a bird and called it the chocolate bar, that doesn't make it a chocolate bar.
It'd be funny. Yeah, but no. Canonically,
Does it produce milk? That's a cursed question, Trill Girl. I don't. That's a good.
I love
That's a
that
good
question.
question that I don't like.
I love
I mean,
that
to
question.
be fair, like the baby Bulborbs that come out of Emperor Bulblax look a little milky.
I don't like that at all. There's nothing about that I like.
We've established that Miyamoto cares not for your fetish, but cares for his own.
Excuse me, I didn't tell you that you could grab. Oh, I love to see these snitch bugs weighed down by single purple Pikmin eternally. It makes me happy. Anyway, please, white Pikmin, do not. Man, I don't know. Are they better or worse at separating into groups of their color in this game than in Pikmin 1?
I would arguably. They are
seem pretty
bad
good at
in
it,
different
right?
ways.
Holy shit, I'm gonna die.
All right, y'all carry that back because there's nothing. There should be nothing preventing you from getting back home.
Okay, I found the trick to dealing with boulder traps. You have to use the top-down view.
That's fair. I just
Because
listen
then
for
you
the
don't have-
whistling sound.
Yeah, well, that's the thing is that if you're in top-down, you can see instantly exactly where it's going to land.
Mm-hmm.
No depth perception getting in the way.
I need to make more use of. Who brought back a beetle? I'm so mad.
You didn't notice that? It was right there in the middle of the screen, so I assumed that you were okay with it.
Now I have to get 4 more things. If there's one of the things that I'm like actually kind of anal about is getting my number to end in 5 or 0.
Stop farting, Empress Bulblax, you nasty.
Girl.
Every time she farts, she poops out a baby.
It be like that sometimes. Please take this nonsense back.
Louis. Perp. Right here. Poop! Man, that's a lot of nectar. Taking it in a chunk! Chunk and
They
chunk!
possess traits similar to
Oh,
those of amphibians,
God,
reptiles,
no.
and mammals. They have
Oh,
large bulbous
God,
eyes set in
no.
stalks,
Oh, God,
as opposed to
no.
the compound eyes of most insects. I need
Oh, more.
2 more anode beetles. Andode beetles. God.
Okay, then what are Pikmin? Are they fungi then? Since they have like
No, they're plants.
They're plant-animal hybrid.
yeah, but if we were to like base them off of modern animology, what would they be?
I don't think that's possible.
They are plants that have a spine. I guess, and like a nervous
How do you
system.
think they have a spine?
Yeah.
They have a nervous system? You're making a lot of assumptions here.
They do have a spine
the-
because you can see
they-
it when they get electrocuted.
Oh, okay.
And they do have a nervous system because they audibly scream in pain.
God, I hate bumbling snitch bugs. They are the worst.
Okay. Yo, how do you do any decent damage to Empress Bulblax without letting everything get tossed to the side under her fat back?
Whistle at her ahead of time.
What do you... But then they don't do any damage.
You can do some pretty
They're
significant.
on-
If you have like
They're
15
on her
purple,
for like a half a second.
if you can get like 15 purples on her, they will do about probably a fifth to a quarter of her health.
I'm not sure why you're keeping the blue reds.
Maybe I'm standing in the wrong place.
There's another floor with a
Dude.
lot of fire, and I just kind of want to
Fucking
have some around to
Omar,
keep
please.
to
You
not
have
take
to-
the
you ha-
risks.
I
Do
guess.
the punch. You have the power of Pentagon Punch. You must use it. Oh, shit.
You must whip it, Olimar. Does that end in a 5? I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, okay.
I'm not gonna backseat or anything like this, but I will say, like, whenever I play this game, I usually like leaving 5 Pikmin behind to gather ultra spicy spray berries.
Oh no, I do that too. A lot of the time. Wait, what do you mean by that? You mean like just when I'm doing other things, have 5 by the berry plant?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do that a lot. I really wish that they would have added the Pikmin's newfound knowledge to walk back to the berry plant. Would have been nice. Or to use the official term, the burgeoning spider wart. Like, Jesus. Olimar's got a fun name generator or whatever you want to call it. I guess I don't think I need the yellows very much anymore. So
Somehow one always ends up underneath her, no matter how much I whistle. It's like she throws them, it's like she whips them under her chin and backwards.
she's a powerful woman. What can we say? All right,
There we go.
let's test out the caustic dweevil.
Hello,
sir. I'm here to sell you life insurance.
Dumping junk, and dumping chunk, and dumping chunk, and dumping chunk, and dumping chunk.
Oh, I thought it did damage you. Why didn't that damage me?
There we go. Got her.
I guess I was wrong.
Yeah, I was about to say.
I could have
I've never
sworn they
seen it.
damaged you. They stun you, I guess, but
Okay, all I had to do was position my aim a little bit to the right.
Yeah, no zero
Could've
damage.
sworn, huh? Guess I was wrong. Wow.
Olfactory. This fucking ship has a sense of smell.
Yes. I love the ship.
That's what people say when they find out Mickey can smell darkness.
Can he?
According to Chain of Memories, yes.
Oh, that's so funny. I love that actually.
That was a Chain of Memories only
God.
thing,
What
by
does
the
that?
way.
What does darkness smell like?
Apparently bad.
Smells like burning deodorant.
Darn.
Yeah,
I think the only confirmed mammal in the Pikmin series, besides 4, because I don't know anything about 4, is the bearded amp rat.
Yeah, I don't think there's any other non-confirmed mammals.
All right, where are we? Oh, hello. That's a bad place for you. Hello. No, I don't got time. I do not have. Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, this is the speed zoom place. Zoom fast go.
All right.
Oh, this is a murder floor. This is a big
That went
murder
well.
floor.
What do we got? All right. Normally I wouldn't do this.
Do it again.
I'm pretty sure I need 20 blues. So, all right, I get my 1. I get my 1 reset.
You get your 1 mulligan. Oh, is there no quick reload?
Not that I know of. I think
No.
soft reset stopped being a thing around this era.
A significant number of DS games still had it.
Man. Gotta see this title screen again with all of the Pikmin still alive. I summoned the Bulborb to eat them all.
Wow, this is a really weird title screen.
Okay, what else?
Like,
what is the subterranean complex missing? It doesn't have any water, does it?
why is the Pikmin logo in flowers? It's supposed to be just a solid block of green.
Yeah, that's weird, right?
Why do you
God,
remember
I
what?
hate the
Do,
new
do you remember
logo.
what the subterranean cavern does not have?
Water. It has no water.
Okay.
I don't understand why they also had to change Hey Pikmin for this too.
They did? Huh.
Yeah,
What?
they actually went back, updated Hey Pikmin's logo to look like the rest of the logos, and I'm like, why?
I have never in my life seen the hole be this close to the pod. Wow.
Oh, that is weird.
That is very surprising.
That is insane. Okay, how many? I didn't want this red Pikmin. Oh my god. 25, that should be plenty.
Have you played Deluxe?
Yeah.
Okay. I do
played-
like how in Deluxe, where if you try to whistle a Pikmin, they will freeze, but they won't. They will carry on if you don't whistle them again.
That is interesting.
Like,
It's
It's-
really useful.
it's useful, but I'll admit sometimes it's a little annoying when you're trying to do something in a timely fashion and you accidentally whistle a group of Pikmin you didn't mean to.
It was a similar thing in 4, tiny mechanical idiosyncrasy. When you're throwing stuff at something, like to carry it, it like forces you to stop for like a whole second when you've thrown enough to carry it. Even if you know you want to throw more, you still have to stop when you get to the required amount, and it's kind of annoying.
You know what I think my least favorite thing about Pikmin 3 Deluxe, because it was a great idea to port that, but I really dislike that there's that, you have to like, you have to press a button. If you want to like dismiss your Pikmin or change captains, you can't just do it with one button press. You gotta like, hit, what is it, the Y button and then tilt a direction on the stick?
Yes, I kind of hate that too, honestly.
I hate that change.
I think that's still in 4.
Were there not enough buttons on the Switch? Like,
Apparently not.
alright.
Wait, is this the right? Yeah, this is the Subterranean Complex. The first sublevel looks exactly like the Frontier Cavern.
Yeah, it's misleading.
I want to throw purples!
Did you want me? The white Pikmin?
As a matter of fact, no, I did not!
I'm so glad that Pikmin teleport into your hands in later entries in the series.
The later entry in the series, singular, that you've played.
Yeah. Well, I'm assuming they didn't revert that change.
And
Joke's
Dragon
on
Punch!
you, they totally reverted. Nah, yeah.
All right, you take the. Is this the worthless statue? I think that's the worthless statue.
Redburn Dragon, you can't bring anything other than blues to the Water Wraith Cave because the entrance is underwater.
I think if you even if you hack the game, I think the game straight up does not let you do it.
So, I don't think this is a spoiler. I'll just say they carried over a lot of stuff from Deluxe.
Fair. No, I don't think that's a spoiler.
I still need to finish Pikmin 3. I played it on Wii U and I made it all the way to the Quaggled Meyerclops, but I couldn't get a run that I was happy with.
My strategy for the Quaggled Meyerclops: winged Pikmin and spicy spray.
Yeah, I think you've mentioned that a couple times when I brought it up.
Other than like breaking the crystal, the winged Pikmin can solo pretty much that boss. Yeah, that boss. There aren't that many bosses.
No, it can solo pretty much most things.
I
when
want
you
to
get
throw
done.
purples!
Like, it can solo the bee boss. I forgot the name of the bee
Scornet
boss.
Maestro.
Hornet Maestro.
Yeah. Scornet, Hornet, one of the two. Probably.
I think it's Scornet.
Scornet.
Probably Scornet. Quaggled Myclops is smelly. It sure is, and it also destroyed my favorite character, the ship. So I'm not happy about it.
I adore the Quaggled Meyerclops.
I mean, to be
Honestly,
fair,
I just suck at its fight.
They do fix up the ship, I think.
That's true.
I want purples!
Yeah, they do fix up the ship. And no, the Quaggled Myclops is actually like a really cool boss. I think it's the biggest enemy in the franchise.
Oh, yeah, by a significant margin. It's like the size of like a... It's like the size... How big? How big? It's like the size of like an actual, like... Not a tortoise, but like a turtle.
Yeah. And what was I was gonna say something. The Quaggled Myclops has that one attack when it gets desperate, where it just straight up lowers its entire body into the water and kills pretty much anything underneath it.
Yeah, it was that and its attack where it like it does a rush, like it moves quickly across the whole arena that I couldn't deal with, I think.
Oh yeah, that attack is brutal. Okay, there we go, there we go. Let's go explore.
It's so weird they actually nerfed the damage on Rock Pikmin Deluxe.
Did they? Oh man, that was like one of their best features.
Yeah, they basically made it so that the damage when you throw them is the same.
What?
Yeah, I don't get why they nerfed that.
Why on earth would you change? That's like the entire selling point of Rock Pikmin.
Why are you guys going that way? Okay.
I think the logic is that it's faster to throw them, but... So technically,
Sorry.
you get faster DPS, but the overall damage is less.
Get fucked, dude.
Oh my god, did you actually hit him with a rock?
Yes.
I didn't know that was possible.
He walked under the rock trap and felt the wrath. Oh, that's so funny.
Amazing.
Did it actually one-shot him too?
Yes. Hopefully.
I didn't know that was possible.
I don't think there's a single. I mean, other than the like ground traps, like bomb rocks and boulders, they can all hit enemies.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's extremely rare for it to happen because like the game usually doesn't put them that close together. But oh my goodness, that.
But obviously the enemies can move. So
Yeah.
you know what's funny is that I didn't notice this until I was playing on that sub level with the camera pointing down. That if two of those boulder traps trigger close enough together
push
at the
each other
same
out of the way.
time, they push each other out of the way. That is so rude.
It's hilarious. Alright, am I gonna run?
Tape.
Am I gonna get a bomb
tape.
rock? This is the flame tiller, but like.
Twy, please get a life.
Yeah, okay. Listen, I just spent like a week away from the internet or gaming, except for yesterday when I played a little bit of the random rotation in Salmon.
You know what? Good for you.
Salmon, and get back on that. I'm glad I can finally play. I've spent the last like 2 weeks rereading a 1 million word fanfic that I've been meaning to catch up on for like 2 years.
What kind of fanfic?
It's a Pokemon Mystery Dungeon fanfiction.
Ooh.
It's called Silver Resistance, and it's incredibly good.
You know, I've been meaning to get back to reading fanfics. I just don't know what I'd want to read.
I have a Paper Mario recommendation, a Zelda recommendation, and Silver Resistance. Those are the four that always come to mind off the top of my head.
What's
Alright.
Silver Resistance?
It's the Mystery Dungeon.
Silver Resistance.
Oh, that.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Started writing it, I think, back in like 2008, and it's supposed to wrap up this year, but the last chapter he posted was in December 2022.
The
so.
fucking 15-year epic.
Yeah,
Let's go.
it's up to 89. How many chapters actually in like on FF? I think it's like 120 something chapters now. And yeah, like a million word, almost a million words. 5K short of a million right now.
Oh, I think this is my favorite treasure name in the whole game. I think this is the spouse alert.
That is horrible.
Oh god, careening to Digibugs. Ugh.
Actually, I wonder if that's a reference to Miyamoto's cat girl fetish.
His what?
You don't know about that?
No?
Okay, so Miyamoto, when he was releasing 3D World, he was saying, oh yeah, I really want to see Peach as a cat girl because cat girls are hot.
Oh, okay.
Like, not verbatim, but like close enough.
Yeah.
I don't know if I would call that a fetish. I mean, I think anime cat girls are hot, but I wouldn't say that that's a fetish.
Yeah, I think there's a line there's a line that hasn't been crossed yet, but I could definitely like that's definitely like an eyebrow raiser. I feel like
It is definitely an eyebrow raise.
like oh ho ho. All right, let's.
Okay, drop your rock.
Oh right, I wanna let's sacrifice some reds and make some white Pikmin.
Don't make another rock before that one's even blown up, you stupid bastard. Okay, you know what? You know what I'm gonna do here? I'm just gonna operate under the assumption that I'm just gonna let my whites grab the treasure and bolt.
It's weird to me that they never added back a Pluck-a-phone after this game.
I would be very, 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 very surprised if you couldn't make it in 4.
If you can get it in 4, I think that'd be great.
I would love to see the Pluck-a-phone come back. It was supposed to be in 1, but apparently they just took it out.
Holy shit, I'm gonna die.
Hey, sexy mama, nice teeth.
Banini
Oh,
VT,
Banini.
thank you so much for the raid. How are you doing? Harem incoming. Oh, that's a fantastic raid.
Oh my god.
That is
That's
so
lewd.
funny. I love that.
That is very lewd.
Yeah. I'm here for it. How we doing? How was your stream? Let's get you that shout
Oh my
out.
god, there's a fly in my room. I'm gonna
Shout
kick
out.
its ass.
Banini.
I have a
I
bottle
can't
spray
type.
bottle here with its name on it, motherfucker. Get over
Oh,
here.
you pulled up the stream and you were talking about fetishes. Here for it. Let's go. I can't believe that. Flasking Pikmin 2. Hey! And you two love cat girls.
Hang on.
Hell yeah. Let's go.
I'm new in
Thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate it. Let's get you that other shout out. I wish I knew how to type, like, effectively. I completely, everything that my typing classes in elementary taught me have gone out the window. Yeah, how we doing, everybody? My name's Twy, short for Twilight King 432. I'm L Variety Streamer, currently playing through my favorite Pikmin game. You know, having a blast with my friends
I
in the
got 'em.
fall.
I got the fly.
Let's go. The song that I've been listening to, like on repeat, it's been my earworm recently. It's called "Hand Crushed by a Mallet" by 100 Gex, and it is written about a fly that was in the studio bothering the songwriter.
That's hilarious. I love that. No.
But yeah,
Guys, I'm gonna kick your ass if you don't run away from that fucking bomb rock right now. How the hell did you guys get over there? What?
Volter's playing too. Yeah, but how was your stream? I hope you had fun. And that you know, Pikmin 2 didn't like scar you as it is wont to do.
There's too many creepy Digibugs! No! That's a swimming snitch bug! Where's the treasure? Where is it?
That
Who has it?
that right there is the Pikmin 2 experience.
Okay, which one of you motherfuckers has the treasure?
Yeah,
Oh, it's here. It's a gear.
yeah, welcome in, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful night. Getting really sleepy though was just having your Pikmin die, so you're like, now let me stop.
Oh man, that's
That
rude.
happened. I had my first reset earlier because I just got like 25 of them ran over by a rock.
Oh my god, I don't think I even noticed that.
I was
Don't
distraught.
drop your rock on top of me.
All right.
It's not. It's still buried. Ah!
All right,
No,
let's-
no, dang! Run!
Purple. I wish you would like actually go somewhere when I throw you, but you know, I guess
Okay,
that's
drop your rock right here.
Chat, are you ready to see the miracle of birth?
Now dig. Now stop. I don't care. Move! Run! Fly, you fools!
60 got clapped. Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh.
They're not supposed to make it up. They're not supposed to make it down here that fast. How did he get here?
They move faster than you think they do.
Yeah, but-
Spirit flogger. My god.
Listen, that was like just super speedy, baby.
Yeah, that was unusually fast.
Okay, I'm just gonna get these fucking... this Whipping Stitch Bug is really getting my gander.
Oh, that... Oh,
Yeah,
hello.
you wiggle your feet around. Why do I have feet with me? Steve, go back with the others.
That's why I don't think this is a good idea to just, like, punch her babies like that. That's just going to upset her more.
She seems unbothered by the whole deal.
I don't care. Get down the hole. Suck the Pikmin out of the Whipping Stitch Bug's grasp by going down the hole.
That's why I expected better things out of you.
Yeah.
I didn't think you would actually be a baby murderer.
I'm a baby puncher, what can I say?
Man, I remember reloading so much back when I played this on Wii, way back in the day. Trying to do... You know that one floor in the Dream Den? The flooded one with a Gatling groink?
Oh yeah, that one.
That floor sucks.
Yes.
Wally hops and a Gatling groink.
That is probably one of the worst floors in the game.
Yeah, that floor was legitimately... I made it to that floor and then stopped playing the game for like 5 years. Before I finally came back and finished it. Okay. Go ahead. Oh, you mother! Okay, resetting the game.
Isn't the strategy you just get under her nose and spam?
Probably.
Of course, the second time he shot a boulder, it went over the pillar he was behind.
You know, I remember there was like a conversation about Empress Ball Blacks where like she can roll over her own babies, and I'm like, is it? Like I remember someone saying this is why parents don't sleep with their babies.
Damn, that's cold actually.
That's
It was this one that didn't.
I don't know about that
Oh, oh, I'm so sorry, Benini.
Oh God. Must have fucking rocked that first one in the Hole of Beasts. That's the Hole of Beasts, right?
By the way, I gotta give props to that username. It's like, I love that username.
Bunini.
Okay, now let's not get fucking steamrolled by it. Hey, I reset for the same reason you did.
So are you like a panini but in the shape of a rabbit, or are you a rabbit in the shape of a panini?
Or a rabbit that really likes paninis.
Is that a... I don't see the Dweevil here.
You're a sea slug, sea bunny. I love that.
That's cute.
Okay, there's no Dweevil. It's just a little bit confused about the level geometry. Oh, see? Oh my God, see here. That's so... I love that. Don't carry it directly into the fire trap, you dumb shits.
All factory sensors overloading, approaching outer stink limits. The stench must be emanating from that object. It is wild that the ship can smell.
Oh God.
Like, I feel very strongly that that should not be the case.
How the hell am I gonna handle this thing?
Well, I cannot believe some of them actually managed to get some
this thing
drink.
has it. Okay.
You know,
So I wasn't
Nothing
paying
for it, I
attention.
guess.
Did you bring back the boss?
no, I did not. I haven't even picked it up yet. I don't want the purples to do it. They'll take 17 years, so I'm gonna go get the whites.
I want purples, jackass!
So I know your comment is innocent, but whenever I think about it, I'm like, man, you're making the white work.
I sure am.
Thank God, that one. I didn't get a single death there.
See, I don't mind the rush boots. I think that is a small price to pay for salvation.
It does bother me, but not enough to like dislike the upgrade at all.
What do they even do? They just make you walk faster, right?
They make you move significantly faster. Yeah.
Yeah, so you outrun a lot of your squad.
The only kind of Pikmin that can actually keep up with you is flower whites. But it doesn't take that long for them to catch up. The like purples are the only ones that take a significant amount of time to catch up.
See, the thing is, I spend a lot of time with the captains running between different groups of Pikmin, so this is extremely
fun. Yeah. Super strong stabilizer. There's still another treasure on this floor.
One death. Wow, there's just as many treasures in Frontier Cavern as Snagrit Hole.
Olimar, you go ahead. You're already done. Oh no, I'm doing complex, right?
I'm surprised you're already about to hit the debt.
Complex should fill the debt for me.
Oh, that is annoying. Okay, you guys spit rocks at each other, please. What the hell was that?
What am I missing? Thank you. Get in my squad so I can see what. Okay, I don't need any blues, so I'll take all those reds.
What, no yellows?
There we go. He's dead.
Oh, I need yellows, but I have 15 of them. That's what I meant. I'm gonna replace all the blues with reds.
I wonder what this game would have been like if it had bomb rocks. Like, you know, carryable bomb rocks.
A
Matt,
very
clearing
different
the
experience.
Clearing the debt with just monsters sounds like something that Tim would have done when he was like just out of high school.
Yeah.
Like how he ground up to level 99 in Secret of Mana before fighting Spiky Tiger.
Yeah,
Or,
that does sound like something you'd do. Or like, I don't know, digging up every tile in Link to the Past was a really interesting one.
Man, that's another one, yeah. And he also ground up to the max level in Mystic Quest in the first area.
Man. Tim
Holy
is dedicated.
Shit, no, yeah, well, I mean, back then, I remember that was like before he got his first job, so he didn't have any, like, he was just waiting for phone calls all day.
Yeah. Still, though, I mean it takes patience, even if you have nothing else to do.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, that's gotta be the last treasure. Oh, and here's the exit.
Oh, right, there's a honey wisp up here. I need to flower these. Wow, I keep forgetting that flower purples are faster than leaf most everything else.
Flowers are just so broken in this.
Yeah. Where's the honey wisp?
Mega flywheel.
My metal detectors are Isn't that the second time you said that?
I think your mom would react to most of these underground.
No, but I think in particular, I'm pretty sure, not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure the White Flower Garden also had that exact same line of dialogue.
I don't really need more whites.
All right, let's do the subterranean. Let's go find our spider friend who's packing heat.
That's a lot of. I don't need any more white Pikmin.
Yes, you do.
Why do they keep giving me ivory candy pop buzz? I don't need more white Pikmin.
They are so good at being worker bees.
They really are, but they're not good at doing much else.
I mean, I usually what I'll do is I'll kill all the enemies in like the last area, and then I'll send like a huge squad of whites in to do cleanup crew.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I love whites. I just don't need more than 30 when I'm going down to the map.
Limit, relax.
I'm sorry.
It is very funny. And I'm not actually yelling at you. Keep laughing at it because I think it's hilarious.
Here's the thing. The other day when I was playing Pikmin 3 and I was talking over it, I accidentally called Rock Pikmin Black Pikmin.
Oh no.
And so you can imagine, I was like, oh man, where are the blacks?
Oh,
and I'm like,
God.
no! What did I do? I felt so bad when I said it too.
Oh, right, that's not nectar. Oh well.
Limit, honey.
That's like the worst slip up I ever said.
Would you get out of the fucking candy pop, bud? You're bouncing off of it and you look stupid. Pentagon punch!
Is this the exhausted super stick?
Yes.
Just like me, exhausted. Usually.
And you're a stick.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, that's true. I am a stick. Anybody who's met me in real life knows I am extraordinarily slim.
It's so weird, Twilight. We met each other at MagFest 2020,
we didn't really know each other.
To each other.
It
Like,
is interesting that like after that we've kind of gotten to know each other better.
Oh hey!
Yeah.
It's the boulder floor.
One of these days I'll see you again, bud.
I hope so. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to go to next year's MagFest.
I mean, even if not, it's not like time stops after next year.
I guess so. I just miss seeing everyone.
Oh, I understand that completely.
Oh god, volatile dweevils too? Jeez.
Not having conventions during the pandemic was honestly such a drain. It was very difficult.
Oh god. Alright, go away.
All right,
Go ahead, try to
Is it a
explode.
berry? Oh yeah, it's the Nouveau table, I think. I'm such a nerd.
Oh god. Okay, this is not a boulder. This is not a boulder floor. It's bomb rocks. That's interesting.
I don't think there
Oh,
is a
it's-
boulder floor in Complex.
Oh my god, another one?
Is that? Oh my god! Wait a minute. Are you on the zigzaggy one?
It's more like a spiral.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, there's like volatile dweevils all over the place, just dropping from the sky.
Honestly, I just take a bunch of whites down there and hope they outrun
Yeah,
the
that-
Dweevil.
That's what I'm doing.
It's terrible, but like, I play this game extremely cautiously and extremely risky at the same time.
You play way more risky than I do.
It's not just a boulder floor, it's a bomb rock floor. A bomb rock floor. A bomb rock.
Bomb rock. Oh god. Wait.
Oh,
wait,
the yellow Pikmin
wait,
used to
stop.
carry these babies for miles.
Okay, necessary caveat to the white Pikmin strategy.
Yes.
Don't have them following at like a slightly staggered pace from each other, like both treasures.
Oh yeah, you gotta watch that. All right, here, bring on the metal. Is this the one with? Oh, this is the Dirigibug floor. Fantastic. I hate these guys, but they're really also kind of fun in a weird way. I like the
they're
noises.
fun. They're just-
I like the noises they make a lot.
Oh, that's it? Just two treasures? Alright.
I hate
Why?
fighting these things with all my heart.
Yeah, they're obnoxious. I hate when they drop a bomb rock and then they make another one before the first one even explodes.
Like this, yeah.
Yeah.
Why can't they blow themselves up?
They can, but the bomb rock doesn't have any verticality.
Alright. What's
Oh, that
4,
purple's
5?
dead.
Yeah, good for him.
Dead. Instantly.
Oh, I have never thought to do this before.
I'm surprised that didn't arm itself when it hit the ground.
Like I did, yeah, exactly.
Oh,
I
well,
didn't
they're dead.
realize they, yeah, even more.
That's all
But
right.
yeah, I
Oh,
didn't
God.
realize
Oof.
that if they drop it when being stunned, they
Ooh,
don't
poison
explode.
dweevils. What are poison dweevils called?
Munge.
Munged weevil. My god.
You know, in theory, what I should have
What is
done,
this,
instead of trying to
Banjo
fight them
Tooie?
with my purples, is just go in with this squad of whites and apparently a yellow. And just, like, see if they can outrun it.
Come on. Alright, guys. Get away from the munged weevil.
Oh, he's too high. And they died.
Yeah, one died, it's fine.
Hey, would you stop walking near the edge? I want to... Okay, you know, I'll just get the egg. I don't care. Fuck you. Bye.
Is that going to hit the?
Nope.
Okay, I was about.
Oh, it
to
hit
say.
some of them, apparently.
Oh, it did hit them. I thought you said they had no verticality.
I assumed they didn't, because they never hit the Dirigibugs. Ah, well. I'm losing whites, and I'm gonna make a net profit on purples anyway, so...
Oh, are there violet candy pot buds?
There are 3 violet candy pop buds that always spawn on in this dungeon.
Nice.
Can you...
Uh,
You know what? I don't even care. I have so many bitter sprays. This is what they're here for.
what kind of a dweevil is that? I can't see because it's holding a treasure. Louis.
That nectar fell off.
Good for him.
Old mole.
Pikmin 2 really is just always seeing things you have never seen before in your life.
How do controls feel for the Switch anyway?
They took a second to get. It took a second to get used to the marching controls, but it's fine now. Because the marching
Lost
controls are
another
hold the
purple
left
to the
bumper and.
ledge.
You guys will be fine.
Okay, would you
Oh, that felt
stop walking
validating.
towards my Pikmin?
That right there is a perfect illustration of how I play this game.
Man, I wasn't looking.
Have them march right past a lit bomb rock, hoping they'll make it in time.
Oh yeah, that's me. Ain't nobody got time for clearing shit out. I want the treasure now, bitch.
It's my treasure due me, and I will collect.
Okay, just grab the
All right,
just grab the treasure.
this is the one with the fire and the cannon beetles.
Another careening Dirigibug, huh?
Fire.
Oh god, 2 more? How many treasures are on this floor? I see at least 2 more.
I get 1 more mulligan.
Oh, is that so? You're gonna stop after that?
No, I get 1 more mulligan. That's it. I'm not resetting anymore. I don't care what happens. But that was nonsense.
Well, oh, dang it, what happened?
A
I
boulder-
wasn't looking.
Cannon beetle missed the shot at me, but it lined up perfectly to kill exclusively purples in the base.
Wow. That's amazing.
You can't make this stuff up. I love this.
Oh shit, they dropped the treasure for no reason. Sweet.
What did the Dweevils?
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll do that from time to time. Something I
It's
like
just
to
like
do,
I'm bored.
something I like to do with the Dweevils in this game is I'll just like on in this dungeon in particular, you can just like get them to pick up the treasure and walk off the edge
Why would you want that to happen?
because it respawns the treasure and not the enemy. There's a certain floor in Dream Den where the optimal strategy is to just trigger the ball bear with the treasure to fall from the sky and have it walk off the side.
Amazing. Repair Juggernaut. And there's 1 more treasure here.
There always is, huh? Ooh, right in the ass. That must not feel good.
I don't want these reds. I wish that, like, dismiss worked.
Yeah, that would be nice, right? You have to press the button like 10 times for them to actually dismiss.
Alright, pick it up.
Wow. I cannot believe they survived.
That should be everything for this floor. Far Eastern Electric 6-Nip.
Wow, I found my gravity jumper.
Why is it called Vacuum Professor?
Processor?
Oh, Processor? Is that what it said?
Yes.
Vacuum Professor!
I like that name
What is
better,
this?
to be honest with
What
you.
is this? Don't hug me, I'm scared? Jeez.
God, that for some, I was just reminded of like when I was playing Kingdom Hearts, and I kept nicknaming all the enemies, finding out their actual names, and being like, I like mine better.
Oh
I
god,
still
that's a
enjoy
groink,
those.
that's a groink, that's a groink.
What'd you say, Limit? Sorry.
I enjoy that too, mostly because like I love seeing what you thought your names were.
Yeah. I mean, I knew for some of them, like, those wouldn't be their names, but it would be really funny if it were their
No.
names. Like, Turbinator was my favorite one that I came up with.
Were they the fat bandits?
No,
or
just
were
the
they
bandits.
The regular
Oh my
bandits?
God.
Okay.
Holy cow, that was lucky. That groink just walked right into all 3 of those bomb rocks I lit.
Nice. The Groinks are also really good at walking off the edge if you bait them. What the hell?
Man, those guys regen fast.
Wait, what?
An egg fell from the sky, but it was just like, I didn't see it fall, I just saw it crack open.
Oh man,
yeah,
you know what I just...
same. I was confused too.
If you were trying to do this without getting any monsters, groinks would certainly be a pain in the neck, wouldn't they?
Yeah, that's what Bitter Spray's for, though.
Oh, they don't leave a corpse if they die like that?
Yeah. Bitter Spray to enemies turn into a Nectar drop or a Spray drop. Bosses drop 5 drops of liquid, and the final boss drops 10. but you missed out on the
Do
really
you?
cool death animation.
Do you actually have a treasure in you, or are you just guarding that treasure?
Is it the tower, Groink?
Yeah.
It's in him.
But there's also one behind him.
It's in him.
That's funny. That's funny. I take a dump on the can. I take a dump right now. I'm taking a dump.
I was saying this earlier, but every time the Pikmin sing "I Know Uta," it makes me think that they're about to go
Holy
into
shit,
like
they're
the theme song for George Lopez.
Man, that guy's catching up. Okay, no, he's not.
I thought you were gonna say something about George Lopez.
Yeah, that's what I did say that.
No, I mean for Poulter.
Oh.
Oh no. Furious adhesive. I'm so good and mad. He's like an angry dad.
All right, that's that for that floor. How many times can I say that in one? Oh my god.
That is that question.
That is the man. Okay, dude.
Righty. Oh, this is the rest floor. Oh, thank God. I don't think, as much as I love having white Pikmin around, I don't think I need 51 of them.
Well, what if you want 100 white Pikmin?
For what?
I saw someone do a strategy where they fought the man at legs with 100 white Pikmin.
'Cause it
and
can
they
outrun
never
the
went into
gun?
Cover. Yeah.
Thank you for not falling directly into the candy pop bud as you bounced off of the egg all cheerfully.
Gladly.
Alright, that's it for this floor. I'm done. And now it's time for the spiral cut ham floor. And tomorrow I have to start cooking again.
Oh, there's still another. Oh, right. Those guys are still bringing back the other treasure. I never thought about using a bitter spray on that tower. I never think to use those at all. Tell me that's the only other treasure down here. Or on this floor.
I don't know how I triggered that volatile
300.
dweevil down there, but alright.
Man, I'm gonna pay off my debt in this dungeon.
Hey, me too. Hey, I'm getting mine next. Hey, I doubt it.
What floor is the man at legs on? 9? 10?
9.
8? 9, okay. Oh, rest floor. Calm before the storm. Take a dump now. Alright, I'll get some purples. Hey, look, it's the purples.
Man, the game really should do a better job of communicating that bomb rocks are bitter sprayable, but I don't know how on earth they would communicate that.
Yeah. How do you communicate that you can neutralize a rock by turning it into a rock?
Wait, what?
Yeah, you can bitter spray the bomb rocks to delay their fuse.
What?
At least I think you
It's
can.
true.
It definitely works for the
I mean-
volatile dweevils.
It worked. I mean, I assume when I used it on a Carini Dirigibug, the fuse started the moment it like cracked out of its petrification.
Mm-hmm.
But I didn't know that you could also use it to interrupt a already lit fuse.
There's
That's
plenty of
sweet.
bomb rocks on this floor. I could very easily test this.
I need proof.
I'm taking in a dump.
I could just be...
I'm dumping in chunk.
Stay there.
I'm taking in
Yep.
a dump.
Proof positive.
I'm taking in a dump.
What?
I'm
That's
taking
so
a dump.
wild. That's like 1 in a billion interaction.
Yep. I mean, you can use that very strategically as a get out of hell free card. Especially in the submerged castle.
Yeah, it would be a really good panic button.
Mm,
You just need to know that you can do that.
yeah.
Shit, that's a spicy spray.
To be honest with you, the reason I found that out is by testing petrification in the Piclopedia. All right. You are of no threat to me, but you're gonna bother me anyway, so. Is it just poison on this floor? Or is there electricity too?
There we go.
Actually, I think I am gonna pay off the detonate. No!
What happened?
They almost brought back an anode beetle.
Oh.
But now it stopped so close to the frickin' pod that the next group's gonna bring it back. Which means I have to babysit them from now on.
Alright. Let's fight the fucking Poop Pop Pete. I have not fought this guy in, like, probably at least 5 years.
Just throw a million purples at him before he wakes up.
Oh, no, actually, you know what? I fought that guy. I've actually fought this guy pretty recently, now that I think about it. I played through this, like, less than 3 years ago, I think, on Dolphin.
Oh, is this wall too tall? Sorry.
I know there's a place you can put the Pikmin where they'll be sit here. Here we go. Alright, here we go.
Fucker!
Wow, no shit. Dumping and chuck and chunk! Dump and chunk! Run! Run, Fatty!
It's honestly so stupid that the Anno Beetles can't be attacked just because they're not flipped over.
I know. An explosion should, in theory, beat out a beetle, but what do I know?
Yeah.
I just went to college.
Oh, he's dead already. Holy cow.
Alright, that was that floor, done in an extremely unorthodox way.
My god, could you imagine if the Man at Legs exploding was like a bomb rock?
I would actually throw my game.
God, that would be oh my god! Oh my god! That would be such a great thing in the randomizer, have, like, enemy corpses explode underground.
I mean, I could totally see, like, because the Raging Longlegs, if you kill it, and it doesn't drop a treasure, it drops, like, 30 Midites instead. I could totally see them turning that into, like, it drops some bomb rocks.
Yeah.
Probably be a great way to make that thing not a joke.
I like your red.
Oh, that's right.
What are you doing in here?
Man! You know, I always get kind of sad when there's, like, a darkness mechanic in a game, and then they make a permanent upgrade out of permanently diffusing it. Because it's, like, it's part of the atmosphere.
Well, don't worry.
Wait, you can destroy bomb rocks that are petrified?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, can you?
Yeah, I just saw it happen with the whites destroying that bomb rock that was petrified.
Well, that was wild. I've never seen them do that. It's on video now, so that's great.
Oh, you know,
Grab it!
I don't think I'm actually going to pay off my debt after this dungeon.
Can we, like, maybe, like, focus on doing things correctly for a change?
Can you imagine if it got stuck like the Peach Crown?
What? Hang on a
Thankfully,
second.
I
The
think
ship
one
has
purple
just
would have been
casually
fine, so, yeah?
The ship has just casually been manufacturing a synthetic sound in the background this whole time.
Yes. And you're not supposed to question it. 9665. I think the treetop cover. I think the cover of the treetop apple juice is worth like 300 pocos. I should clear the debt out.
Now the underground looks ugly forever. Congratulations.
Except for sub-level 10 of Cavern of Chaos, which is only dark after you get the Stellar Orb for some reason.
Weird. I find it very amusing that, like, it's actually, even a purple leaf can outrun the Man at Legs firing.
Yeah. It's really bad at aiming if you think about it.
Yeah. It's just, it's like the perfect, like, run, fat kid, run!
But the whites are like skinny and tiny.
I'm talking about purples.
True.
It reverse leads its shots. Yeah. I guess if the Bennett Legs did lead its shots, it'd be pretty, the worst. Where's that treetop apple juice container?
I guess I should try getting a... I have plenty of time before the end of the day, so I should try doing some...
Is there another
treasure
Groink on
hunting.
this floor? Oh no, that's sub-level 8, isn't it? No, wait. No, it's not. Where's the other Groink? Did it fall off the side and die when I wasn't looking?
I'm pretty sure it's just one Groink,
No,
isn't
it should be 2. Polter, you just did this.
There's 2. There's a walker and one on a tower.
The fact that there just could be a Groink on the loose is somewhat terrifying, but also, you know, it's not here, it's not here.
A chunk
Okay, we
in
ball.
and dump in and dump chunk. A dump. Oh, that's right. This is where the fucking Snagrit is. It's up on this hill.
Yeah. From Snagrit Hole to Snagrit Hill. Alright, this
Where
should
is this-
put me over the debt, or at least get me very close.
Where is this treasure you think
Yep,
is
there it is.
here?
Fresh,
Oh, you know
organic
what, you
fruit
got-
sauce.
You got the crown. That's what I'm missing.
Yeah, the unspeakable wonder. It's like they knew. Yeah, I don't know where that second Groink was, but, you know what? He was on vacation. I'm fine.
Oh my god, the fucking withering blowhog is still here.
Oh, did you not kill it?
No, I just snuck around it.
Alright, here we are, the real bounty. Don't do that. Whatever you just did, don't do it again.
Ah, I lost 12 Pikmin. Would you get the fuck out of here, you stupid little blowhard?
The wind blowhogs are the most irritating enemy. I swear to God. Puffy blowhogs in the distant spring are the absolute worst, and withering blowhogs are just also terrible.
We got rid of them.
Man, sir, who told you to do that?
Some fucking... Oh god, what did I just lose a bunch of? Okay, it was mostly red. Oh, I
Switch
lost
to
a
the
bunch of-
leaves here.
What?
Shout out to the game never telling you that you can pick whether you want to throw leaf or flower Pikmin.
Okay, get this fucking... What?
What?
What do you mean?
If you press
Everyone-
X when you're holding a group of when you're getting ready to throw a Pikmin, it'll switch between the leaves and flowers in that group.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah. The game never
Yeah.
tells you that.
Oh. I missed, like, part of what that sentence was. Come on. One more. One more.
$10,025. Dollar bills, y'all, as they say.
Just one more. There you go. You guys got it. Well, I lost 12 Pikmin, but I got the crown.
All right, I'm gonna do something insanely stupid on the next floor. I'm gonna see if they patched out that man-at-legs vulnerability. Oh, did you not get a
And that is
drink?
stupid.
What's that?
That is stupid.
Well, it's stupid because, like, I need purples to do it, and I need to get close to the man-at-legs with purples before it spawns.
Yes, that was what I was referring to.
Yeah. I thought you were just being, like, sarcastic.
No.
Alright.
No, it was an educated piss taking.
Oh, why would you land up there? How can I? Okay. Anyway. Well, it is time.
I mean, you could grow 2 more Pikmin if you want.
Oh, yeah, you know, I didn't do that. No.
Okay, what else is there that I need
I
to
need
get
more.
in the other
Oh, I
other
didn't
than
bring
the
any
fucking
blues.
other than the Snagger, which I don't really want to do, but I need to do it anyway, so I probably should. Which hurt a great deal, even for Hercules Jr., who can't feel pain, so it didn't. Would you guys get over here, you little fat kids? Jesus.
Is that a white pick? Oh, you know.
That's a white.
Alright. He's not dead. That's all I care about. All right, let's go down to hell on Earth. I'm sorry, on PNF 404.
Ah, Crown, a good time for you to get to the fucking ship.
I cannot believe they gave the planet an official name, and it's just page not found, error 404.
Oh, that's what PNF stands for. That's funny.
Oh, Nintendo, you're so funny.
Wait a second. Does this thing not actually have a treasure?
What?
The Snagret here.
No, it just guards one.
Okay, well then fuck that shit. I'm just getting the treasure and getting the fuck out of here.
I forget. Can you stun the man at legs?
Why are you going that way, dipshits?
Oh my god, it still works.
So what's the thing that still works? I don't get it.
I threw a bunch of purple Pikmin on the man at legs before it had a chance to wake up, and I did about half of its health and damage.
Oh yeah,
that-
you can still do that.
Is that
I don't know why they
I don't
take
think
it
that's
out.
a bug. I think that's just
They
doing a
removed
bunch
it in the
of
Wii
damage.
version.
Did they? I
Yes.
never noticed.
Yeah, I have the Wii version of Pikmin 2, so...
I mean, that's the only version of Pikmin 2 I own.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I played Pikmin 2 growing up, and then I was very shocked when the Wii version actually made it to the States.
They still don't have all the treasures
Yeah, because
here.
it came out like really late. It was like
It was like
right
the
before
last.
the Wii U
It
was
was
going
like
to come out.
yeah, it was like the last published Wii game from Nintendo.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. That's
Can
surprising
you
to see
leave
that.
me?
That's surprising.
You have to attack it to trigger.
No, I'm just
Yeah.
trying to get away from it. Build some distance, you know. Because it decided to cross my barrier.
Like, it normally would just start firing, but I think you have to aggro it.
The only time I've ever seen the man at legs just start attacking you like indiscriminately is when Steven and Mal were playing this game.
Yeah, that was weird.
Like I have never seen it do that in all my. I was very confused.
Might actually...
What treasure am I missing in the Valley of Repose?
I just needed a minute. The bear statue, the clock.
Probably the bear statue. I think I have that. I'll just get some. I think I can. I don't think I need any breads on the surface.
I'm surprised you didn't just, like, go for the kill. I feel like you would kill
I
them
was
before you
trying
start
to, but
firing.
they didn't run up, so I couldn't grab them. The Pikmin, I mean.
Yeah. Oh, you're probably... Yep! I saw that coming!
Oh, it's dead. Okay. What died? Oh, was that all purples?
That was all purples.
Fucking. All right.
How the hell did
Whatever.
one yellow attach itself to Olimar?
I'm surprised he didn't try to kill it while it was stoned.
I was trying to, but two factors were working against me there. One, bosses have increased defense when they're turned into stone. Two,
I mean, yeah, I know that.
the Pikmin, I was on top of that ramp and they would not run up to me for me to grab them.
Yeah, that was an issue just for me just now with that Snagret. And the cannon beetle.
Yeah, so otherwise I totally would have done it, but those two factors pose a very large issue. All right, well. Oh no. I just realized I'm not super happy about the scenario I found myself in.
Oh no.
I cleared the debt. The day's
Oh,
over.
No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Which means I have to spend a whole other calendar day grabbing purples.
Oh shoot. I gotta go up and around.
No. I really wish clearing the debt didn't just immediately end the day. That's probably my biggest
Dude,
gripe.
would you get up there, you stupid little bastards?
Alright, well,
Oh my god.
can't do nothing about it.
$25? Ugh.
Did you also lose 25 somewhere?
No, I need 25. Yellows were the one thing I didn't get that many of, and I need 25 to lift this bear statue.
Oh, yeah, the Grizzco statue. You've repaid the entire debt. Now Hokuto. This is a pretty cutscene, though.
my
They re-rendered
God.
this really well.
Dude, are you fucking kidding me? I can't even throw them up here without them sliding down. Louis! Oh, great. Now I have to run around and hope that I can get all 94 of those Pikmin back under my back whistle before the end of the day, because Louis forgot to put on his fucking cleats this morning and rode the happy fun slide.
Oh, these Pikmin being projected against the surface of the planet for some reason. I guess it's just his imagination. What? Did I forget something? Shit, I think I left my wallet down there.
Okay, actual question. Do you think this is Olimar's fault, or do you think Louis purposely stayed behind?
How did
I think
I don't
this is
understand.
Olimar's fault.
I don't understand how they could have left Louis behind. He was right there.
So you think it's Louis' fault then?
I don't think that Louis would have stayed there on, of his own volition.
I think
Yeah,
there's
but
a,
he's also hungry.
I think that if this is an AITA situation, I feel like it's an ESH. Everyone sucks here. Or
I mean, I can't think of an actual reason why Louis would want to stay behind on PNF 404.
Food.
He clearly is not happy about the situation, instantaneously.
Yeah, but there's food.
There's food at home!
we have food at home.
But there's food here right now.
McDonald's.
Does he look happy?
McDonald's,
Does he
McDonald's.
look like he's at an all-you-can-eat buffet right now?
How come he's not using? How come he doesn't have the Pikmin helping him?
Because he ate them. Let's be real. He would eat the Pikmin.
He might actually
Yeah,
eat
he
the
would.
Pikmin. God, they really re-rendered this, and it looks pretty good.
It actually looks amazing re-rendered.
So crisp. That water look okay. It's actual filmed water, so it's but man, this looks good.
Speaking of food, guess who didn't eat dinner?
Limit.
I probably should do something about that, shouldn't
You
I?
totally should eat dinner.
Maybe later.
Not hungry?
More like, it's weird. You ever get that feeling when you're on a stream and you're just not hungry?
Yeah.
Even though you should be hungry?
I get that at work. My body process is just totally. I have been working at that job for a month and a half, and I have yet to have to go to the bathroom while I'm there.
Yeah, exactly. I remember when I went to school, I never want to go to the school bathroom, so I'm like, oh, I never need to go to a bathroom unless I'm dying.
I was like that. I still kind of am.
Because school bathrooms are disgusting.
Yeah, any
as
kind of
hell.
public / communal style restroom just skeeves me out.
Same.
Pikmin lost 48. No, ain't bad.
Lost the fire.
I just
lost the
realized
water.
that falling off doesn't count as a cause of death in this game.
I don't want to go to bed.
I think it's considered battle, isn't it?
I need to check and see if those numbers add up to 48 now. Okay. 9, 11, 20, 28. Okay, yeah, it does add up to 48. I guess so. Something else in a good way or in a bad way? I try to avoid the airplane restroom, but on a flight that long, they could be nice. I don't know.
When is those bathrooms or something else ever a good thing?
I could think of an example. It's really nice. It's something else. If I say no, does it just go to file select?
Yes.
Good.
Or at least it's off screen,
See,
yeah.
I win. Yeah, okay. Because I was gonna wrap it up here anyway.
Wow, you're leaving Louis for dead. I see how it is.
Yeah, well,
Like you weren't shit-talking him constantly for the last 10 minutes.
I didn't say he was someone who deserved suffering, just someone who made mistakes.
yeah, we've all made mistakes. I do give Louis I do give Louis a hard time, and I tend to ham it up just for the funs, but like, I may not love him, but I wouldn't wish him harm most of the time.
I would wish a bad day on him.
Yeah, I mean, like, you know, rainy day, steps in a puddle or something like that, sure.
I would hope he loses his favorite thing.
Dang, that's rough. That's very difficult. We're the Louis Slander Squad. That could be the raid message, actually.
Louis Slander Squad.
Let's see who's live right now, anyway.
Well, I know someone who hasn't streamed in a while.
I see somebody who hasn't streamed in a while, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go welcome him back to Twitch, shall we?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Oh, bad because they can stank. Yeah, that's just a bathroom in general. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap it up here. This has been fun. It's good to be back. Man, a week off isn't that long, but it feels like a long time. You know? Yeah. Oh, before I forget, I gotta shout out the fam over here. So, shout out Poltergeist 5000. Last playing Pikmin 2. Wow! And also shout out my good
The
friend.
Maniacal Gamer.
Yes, the Maniacal Gamer. If I could type properly and also... Okay, there we go. Yeah. Last playing Superstars. Oh, that's right. Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh, and Flargra too. Flargra was here.
Flargra was here?
Yeah.
I can't believe I missed them.
Yippers. Yeah, thank you all so much for co-comment, and for those of you who are in the chat who came out, I really appreciate it. I've missed you guys. And maybe more of this tomorrow if I feel up to it. Who knows? I want to stream a lot more. Now, I feel sort of pretty rejuvenated, so...
Stream more.
Well, it's a Splatfest this weekend, so you know I go a little ham. So that'll be fun. But yeah,
That'll be fun.
Let's raid Meds. Meds just moved into a new house, and I'm very happy for him. And he's back to streaming. We're gonna hit him with the Louis Slander Squad.
What's the opposite of slander?
Appreciation? I don't know.
Shilling?
Shilling Squad. I kind of like that. Keeps the alliteration.
I was gonna just change the alliteration. But what the
Well,
heck starts
shill
with
slash
A?
shilling would work.
The Louis Lover League. I don't know.
Lovely. The Louis Licking League.
I don't know about all that. That's a lot.
You know what? Maybe Louis is so upset because he doesn't get licked.
Maybe. Never really thought about it that way, and I will never think about it again.
I mean, we don't know about his family. All we know is he has a grandma.
Yeah, a grandma who made him eat bugs.
I'm just saying that Olimar's married and has a family. What's Louis got? Nothing.
I figured Louis was like a college student or something. I don't know.
We don't know how old he is.
I don't. Yeah, you're right. Anyway, the raid's gonna start if I don't. So yeah, I'll catch you.